Morning lovelies, how are you doing? I'm actually excited. I'm actually leaving the house today to go out for lunch with a girlfriend. Haven't been out much, I've been babysitting a Zorro. Oh, I'm just putting on the Ziip crystal gel. It's really good for hydration and getting a glow going. I'm doing this before I shower and wash my hair, so the gel, if it gets my hair, I can wash it all out anyway. But this is kind of how I start every day. And I normally do the 4-minute first and then the brow lift. I just want to do half my face with you to show you the difference it makes. Because the reason I find the Ziip Halo so addictive is because the results are so fast. You want to absolutely drench your face in this and your neck, wherever you're going to hit with the microcurrent. I'm just going to do this side of my face, and then I'm going to show you the difference between one side of my face and the other, because I have noticed a huge difference in how much it's toned my jawline, how much it's got rid of the gobble chin, and how much more of a cheek contour I've got. And then it really has helped my hooded eyes as well. I have very hooded eyes, or I did. They're still hooded, but nothing like they were. This thing has just been absolutely brilliant for me. And what I like about this one is a lot of them, I like getting in my lip area as well, making sure there's no fine lines coming in there. So what I like about this one is it's going to be your microcurrent and your nanocurrent. So rather than just having instant results, which you'll get from the microcurrent, the nanocurrent actually locks in all the benefits for long-term results. But even if you just did this once, the results are supposed to last up to 72 hours. I do it about 5 to 6 times a week, and I vary how much I do, whether it's just a quick 4-minute treatment or if I do the 4-minute followed by the 10-minute founder's favorite. It's one of those, it's kind of really hard to do too much of. It's a bit like sunscreen, more is more. And then I really get in and bounce it along and lift the eyebrow. I'll try and show you from both angles so that we really try and get that brow lifted. And the same when I'm coming here. Sometimes I'll pull out like that. I'm just doing this quickly. But most of the time I'll come in and grab the eyebrow, take it all the way up into that facial muscle there. Muscle, because it really is working on the face muscles. Okay, that side of my face is done. That side is not done. So can you see how much it kind of really lifts that brow there? And then even with the jawline, can you see it's still a bit droopy there because I haven't done this side. That side's a lot more picked up. So like the results are so quick with this. I absolutely love it. Okay, let me finish the other side. So the plan today is to finish off my Hermes shoes review, because I started the other day, but my parents were here, so I don't want to spend too much time filming. They've gone back home now. And then the other thing is my pedicure desperately needed doing. My toenails are so bad from years of dancing. They keep falling off. I'm not even kidding you. So don't judge when you see my feet in these flip-flops. But I just painted it. I found this really pretty colour from Essie. I thought this was gorgeous. It actually goes with my fingernails. It is, and it's the Gel Couture one-step nail colour. Gotta love that. Quick and easy. Gallivanting. That's clever. Like gallivanting. So that's the one I popped on my toenails to do the review for Hermes today. And I'm going to pop down to the Win and do a very belated birthday lunch down there. Maybe do some window shopping, maybe do some actual shopping, because I have some birthday money burning a hole in my pocket. I want to kind of see if there's anything I've got my eye on there. Nothing's been jumping out on me, but sometimes when you're in a store and you've had a glass of wine or bubbles or two, sometimes you get the itch to do an impulse buy. It is what it is. So we are done. That's the face. I'm going to go shower now. I'm using the crystal gel because it has more benefits than their regular electric complex. I would wait though. They have a Black Friday sale starting on, tapping the bottle, sorry, I know that can be really annoying. They have a Black Friday sale starting on November 11th. You get extra discounts. So they've got the discount if you use my code on top of their discounts. Like the discounts are huge. Their Christmas gift set, which would be amazing for anyone. I think it gives you 30% off because you get their percentage off plus my extra percentage off, and it's an exclusive code. They haven't given it to many content creators. So definitely be sure to take advantage of that, because honestly, this is an absolute game changer. All right, have a beautiful day. I'm going to go and get myself sorted out.